Hello friends, I am Dr. Kanchan Gupta from Dr. Kanchan's desk. I welcome you with a new idea about a special medicine. Although in homeopathy we treat with 50 to 100 types of medicines and think that those are enough, but those are not enough. We treat them very successfully with those polycrest medicines, but I will discuss about those all in near future, but I will appear with new knowledge about those different medicines as aconite, belladonna and chamomilla and so on, because I am sure that I have collected certain special points about those, each of those medicines, common medicines, which you may not be aware of, or I want to get new things, new hidden facts about those individual medicines. Today, again, as usual, I want to save your time and energy to know about a medicine that is very important medicine, Galega vera. Galega vera, its other names and species are Galega officinalis, Neorhiza gallega. It's called false indigo. It's called lady's bed straw. It's called goat's rue, French lily flowers or bee plants. And I will discuss about turnip leaves also, that is Brassica rapa. And these treat us so wonderfully that we cannot imagine that what a miraculous power is hidden in these. What is Galega? Simply rue. You are familiar with one medicine, that is sickle core. Sickle core, ergot, that is used for female reproductive organs, as you are all familiar with that. And you are familiar with one more medicine, that is Ruta. What is Ruta? You all know that we use for deep injuries. I will make a separate video on those. Now just listen about Galega vera. Galega vera is simply rue and how it treats. It's of great value in allopathy also. In allopathy, same rue is used to make a very important medicine to treat polycystic ovaries and D2 type diabetes. It has beneficial effects on lipids. Please note down each of my sentence which I have prepared with great toil to present before you. It is available in name of bignoanides, mainly metformin. What is metformin in allopathy? It is simply Galega vera or Galega officinalis. What it does? I have already told you, it treats polycystic ovaries and D2 type diabetes. It has beneficial effects on lipids. It increases insulin sensitivity. So same, it is available in homeopathic form. What it contains? It contains galagine, hydroxygalagine, quinidine, flavones, quercetin, chromium, hydrochlorides, camphorol, phenoformin. Okay, it treats cancers, tumors, bulbous plaque. It stimulates adrenal glands. Please note carefully that it gives strength to our epinephrines to control the diseases, sudden diseases which appear to kill us, which are fatal, which are detrimental. So you have come to know that it activates, it stimulates, it gets adrenal glands to work immediately. It's and what it does, it's anti-diabetic, anti-tumor, and it is favorable for liver. It's diaphoretic, it promotes sweating, it promotes perspiration to cure typhoid. It is protective to our liver, it is diuretic, it is antibacterial, it is blood purifier. It's an inhibitor of platelets aggregation, so it fights against the problems created after malaria, filaria, dengue or Zika virus and so on. It works best after chikungunya to maintain platelet levels in our body. As it is blood purifier, it works against the poison in our body. It immediately works on the problem by snake bites, scorpion bites, animal bites, bees bites, insect bites and so on. Next, it's anticoagulant. Drugs such as fenformin in allopathy got banned all over world in 1970s because of its side effects to develop lactic acidosis and ill effects on kidneys. The fenformin got its effect on kidneys. It started damaging kidneys, so that medicine got banned all over world. Now come to Galaga. It treats tuberculosis. As I have told you that it treats cancer, tumors, bulbous plaque also. It's a folk medicine. What people do, what rural people do, they chew Galaga leaves to enhance quality and quantity of nursing woman's breast milk. It stimulates mammary glands as it is blood purifier. Again note that it can treat scorpion or snake bite, spider bite or cockroach bite, any bite causing harm to a person, get the person to dreadful state. It treats backaches, anemia, debility and anemia which is impaired because of impaired nutrition. Next, it suppresses hepatic glucose production and reduces bad cholesterol, LDL and triglyceride level. Cholesterol is controlled by Galaga, so it treats liver diseases, colic, intestinal worms and all digestive problems. Next, come to the very important point that it is a heart tonic. It is a cardiac tonic. How? Because it treats the excess of cholesterol blocking our arteries. It cleans the arteries because it controls the rate of cholesterol formation, as it's a par excellence remedy to treat diabetes it and damaged kidneys. How it works? If it treats kidneys, it treats effusions, dropsy, ascites, edema, water retention, and pleural effusions which are caused by kidney improper function. If kidneys don't function properly, our body gets effusions, dropsies, edema, water retention and ascites. Now I have cleared all the points about Gallagher, the Rue. Please subscribe my channel. Please share my videos to get more people to know about the benefits of special medicines. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching.